Preparing for Typhoons, by Princess Peach Adventures. The Philippines is a very typhoon-prone country. As such, you should know how to deal with this natural phenomenon. How should one prepare for an incoming typhoon? An emergency kit, also called a go bag, should always be ready. It should contain items like food, water, flashlights, batteries, medicines, and a first aid kit. Don't forget a power bank for your phone and important documents. Before a typhoon, have an emergency plan with your family. Know the community evacuation route. Secure your belongings, and stay away from low-lying areas. During a typhoon, stay calm. Stay indoors, and away from blast doors and windows. Stay away from floodwaters. Be alert and track the typhoon's progress. After a typhoon, make sure an area is safe before returning. Make necessary repairs to your house. Report damaged electric lines and posts. Here are PAGASA's warning signals. From Signal 1, meaning winds of 30 to 60 km per hour with little to no damage, to Signal 5, meaning more than 220 km per hour with very heavy to widespread damage. Here are the key points before a typhoon. Make plans to secure your home and know your community's evacuation route. Here are the key points during and after a typhoon. Stay calm, stay indoors, and follow updates. Afterward, check if your house is safe, make repairs, and report damaged electric lines. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, and most of all, stay safe. Bye.